Hmm.
So what we outline in the book and what we believe is that there are basically four levels or layers of trauma that apply to chronic pain. The first one, and where most clinicians, of course, would start, is what event precipitated the pain? Was it a
Sure.
fall? Was it an accident? Was it an illness? So we want to really explore that, and not just the details, but the body's reactions to the experience. And the second one usually is to understand how the trauma, excuse me, how the pain has become traumatizing
Hmm.
to the client. So it's become a trauma in and of itself because
Mm-hmm.
the client is feeling unsuccessful, feels helpless, feels depressed, usually has many chronic pain patients have anxiety disorders, and often I treat the pain as with those folks as an anxiety disorder, which is helpful. Um, and then we have earlier trauma that predates the onset of the condition. So um, this is where attachment comes in. I used to work my way back from the current time back to the past. Now I will take the brief history of the pain and then the traumatizing effects at the present time, and then I'll go back to early attachment. And I'll be getting into that, of course, as to why later on. But
Mm-hmm.
there I'm looking for, is there a history of neglect, a history of abuse, abandonment, loss? Was there disorganized, chaotic attachment in the case of parents who themselves were traumatized? Um, and then I look at how does that affect the person's relationship to their pain and to their body, of course.
Mm-hmm.
And it's also going to affect how they relate to me as a treatment provider. And
Okay.
so if I pick those pieces up, what I found is I can become more effective from the very beginning instead of staying with things that are important but not as central to the treatment relationship.
Okay.
And then the final fourth layer is, makes common sense. It's just other traumatic events that between the early attachment time and the time that the pain began, um, the traumatic events that may be linked in the nervous system to what's happening now in terms of pain.